Talk to me. You don't speechless 2 times.
I know that no, Becca speechless now. You know what you they talk
about.
But
your speech to the sea.
Yes, we get Rema in the house.
Rema in the building. Rema. When I know Rema, he just come make sure say he collects everybody lover. Based on the kind of thing they do. So Rema, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
You not speak. Where you?
Okay.
Shebi say you did the street before. You suffer. So no, we don't see that. Now that you suffer, what's for this? Okay. Yes. So. When I do sing, I'm not be real. Where you do when you be in the house? Remember where you hustle?
Benin now.
Benin. Where Benin?
Ekewa Road.
For Ekewa Road. Seriously, which hustle you do for Ekewa Road?
I go from studio to studio.
Oh, this boy, take me. You go from studio to studio. They hustle for hit.
I didn't record, yeah.
You didn't record for hit. And I really stress to mama. You know what it means to go from studio to studio.
Now they always put out for all their songs, studio to studio.
And a stressful work. But Emma, thank God, say, how you take on end up for Lagos studio? How you take end up for Lagos studio?
I do freestyle to the Prince song.
Okay.
Yeah, so like he can carry me come Lagos.
Oh wait, you actually resident for Benin normally?
Yeah.
As a file like this?
Yeah.
No,
so
for Benin, get me. In a better place to stay for Benin. Because this face for rough come. If I guess what
no, my face rough come.
All those like baffle.
My face rough come.
Your face rough come.
My face rough.
Yeah.
So now the music now don't make you soft once.
Look at the
You
music.
say rough one now.
Okay, like throughout last year, I know I released songs this year.
Okay.
But throughout last year I was under Maven. I was just working.
Okay.
Rebranding.
Oh.
Including my
Okay, including your looks. You rebrand the looks too.
Everything. Sound, looks, everything.
Like cosmetics branding.
These studios the stress for Benin. They do what do they call a freestyle for the Prince song, and I take enter the city. But so far, talk true. From when you move from studio to studio, when you boss, those are busting, and now, tell the truth.
How about you?
You see yourself say you go quick touch like this. For me, I don't do it on like 3 different stages. So I know I feel. If gets shout for me for sure, I don't go as well. I tell you, and for I think count in short over like 20 top stages. You don't do on top them. Kill and where I be you.
I just thank God for the grace.
I mean,
many artists for Benin, they also.
I know one boy where they call Juju boy that time. Not gonna meet me for hotel for where they call and the breeze. Yeah, and brother. Say Baba, I haven't grace that very myself. When I really go, I forget. You understand? So no, I not be say. You know, there's a talent day. Boys they sing, but if you talk, I'm saying at the grace. Actually, Juju and at the grace, but the way they sing your music. Presently, you know, a lot of people first talk and say, and like that first one, I want to ask you, that's Spider-Man. Which one when I'm Spider-Man? Which one then don't win? Don't let me win. How about your friend? Where did you miss? Why you know about that? You hear that praise everywhere, you know that? That come
get power here too.
You say you don't get power here, sir?
I get power here.
No, but the one where you know, Sha, you don't do my car many times. You know that this is this boy song come up play.
That's
the EP. They did like 2 sets. Summer. The one where you get Spider-Man. The one where you get Bad Commando. Then the one where you get hey,
not to the knack. This share they go separate.
You know, say you use your jeans. As they do your jeans, you go favor it because it gets stored. If I knack, you not really feel the full impact. You understand? But this is your new single. We won't drop and I made a film. Before we drop her, why this? Why I like the fact that you come up for your regular style. God, you never hear them.
I never hear them.
Make I even first shock you when I did regularly when I did play because every day I did play top 100 Nigerian songs for iTunes. You understand? As I hear this song, I know I never hear them before, so I don't look the list. I don't know who sing. I be like, how this song take come from where? Because I know about Billionaire, you understand? Because me and we talk about them before the thing. But which song be this? So I put and say, this boy not dey. Alpha. You want chop other monies too? Eh? You want chop other monies?
No, I
He just got clear.
So now just to tell us say you be all round musician. So make nobody box you to Spider-Man.
No leave no transfer.
Just want to
Don't leave no transfer.
to me.
Yeah.
Forget that, get don't transfer. Don't call that enjoy my song. Alright, we'll drop Rema brand new song. But you work on any album recently or just na EP, ZP or single.
The way they work on songs, I get plenty songs. Like all the songs will come out this year. I don't record them last year.
Oh yeah.
So the ones where they record this
year.
So
work full ground.
Yeah, work full ground. So
but
like,
this song
left to the
this
label
year.
to leave it as singles or.
But this song you record this year.
Only the back commando.
Only the back commando you record this year.
Rewind, yes.
So this lady.
When they bust everywhere,
you don't
not be.
Lady was like.
So meaning say you don't be bad boy way back. They come from every tune.
April last year.
The movie was
notable space. It wasn't like God and Lady J got start work. So just that's why we'll give them for our pizza. You understand? Because it's Lady J.
You can go now. Now me and Rema dey here now.
No.
Lady J.
We won't give up. If we leave Rema now, not giving up.
Wait here.
Although they play the song, come back.
Okay. Oh yeah, Lady J, very before you go peck out.
If I peck, you no go push me. I be go reject me.
Lady J, no, make you reject first.
Alright, brand new one from Rema. This one actually they scatter the chart right now. I think that like number 2 or number 3 song for iTunes.
2 right now.
Number 2 actually someone I know say the boy and no come here to play. Rema brand new. He call her waiting.
Lady
J. Now
Lady J.